Hello everybody, it's Rachel. Welcome back. In today's video I have a haul, as you can see. I'm finished with my no-buy and I will do a recap on that, but I wanted to do the stuff that I just recently purchased first. So I have Physicians Formula and I have some stuff from Makeup Geek. The Makeup Geek stuff is still in the box, so I'm going to leave that for last because it might take a little bit longer. So the first things I got are some things that I haven't really heard much stuff about, and I really wanted to test them out and maybe do a review on them and see what they're all about. The first thing I got is the 24 karat Glow Collagen Setting Spray, and it's actually really pretty and it kind of has a golden sheen to it. You can kind of see what kind of mist that it has. Here's what it looks like. It's kind of a little bit wet, so you have to spray it kind of far away from your face, but it definitely has like a definite shimmer to it. I'm not really sure if you're gonna be able to see on the back of my hand here, but it has a definite shimmer, and you can see, I'm not sure how much it's picking up on camera. It has a pretty fine mist to it. It's not too much of a splattering mist, but with any kind of luminescent setting spray, you want to definitely go over it with a sponge because it can kind of be a little bit splotchy, so you always just kind of want to touch it up a little bit if you're willing to do that. But it says skin rejuvenating vegan collagen, glow enhancing 24 karat gold, moisturizing glycerin, protecting with lifting polymers, protecting and lifting polymers, okay, brightening vitamin B3. So that is cool. I really want to use this some more and maybe do a review on it because I haven't seen very much from Physicians Formula in general, so I'm really excited to try that. The next thing that I'm actually more excited to try is the 24 karat gold collagen skin rejuvenating moisturizer. I haven't even opened this yet, so I'm going to open it with you guys right now, and I want to start using it. The moisturizer that I'm using right now is this Yes 2 Carats moisturizer, but it's like basically gone, so I'm just finishing that up and then I will try this one. I'm gonna open it for my fun sakes. Oh, it actually has has gold flakes in it, so I'm gonna show you. If you can see that down, I think it's on it. Let's see if the camera can focus. Okay, and we're focused. You can see the gold flakes in it, and I don't know if it's just, I think it's just like on the top of it, but still really cool. You can massage those into your skin. That was my phone, got an email. And it doesn't really have, well, my phone goes 400 times. It doesn't really have like a scent, a really overpowering scent or anything. So this is actually really cool, and it's really pretty packaging, so that's a bonus. But I'm going to put it back in the box here. And that is that. So keep an eye out for a review on that one. I'm really happy to see that. I want to try a lot more of this Physicians Formula skincare products. The next thing that I got is this Natural Defense sheer line of sheer foundation sunscreen. So I'm not going to use this till like the summertime hits, but I really wanted to pick it up right now, and then at the beginning of the summer maybe I can start to do a review on it and people can see what it's like. But it has SPF 30, it protects from blue light, and has protection from pollution. So that is the foundation that I got, and that is actually something really cool. I haven't opened this yet or pumped it out, but I don't really want to right now, but this is something that I'm excited to try and do a review on. I want to do more reviews because those I find are like the most helpful things if you're looking for stuff. So the next thing I got is mostly for me to play with, and this is the Rose All Play eyeshadow palette, and it's actually really pretty and kind of petite in a sense because the pans are like pretty much like nickel size here in the US, is the size of a nickel, and They just look really pretty and fun. So, I mean, I don't really have much to say on it. I could do a review on it, but I'm sure there's some out there already, but I just really wanted it for me to play with. Okay, and then I got one more palette. This is one I've already played with and showed. Physicians Formula Butter Collection. These are the, so I have a highlighter, a blush, a bronzer, another kind of blush, and then, okay, so there's two, okay, I'm reading it wrong. So there's two bronzers here, two blushes, and then two highlighters. The highlighters are actually really, really soft formula. They are the butter highlighters, and then obviously butter blushes and butter bronzers, but they're so buttery they're like mushy. I don't want to do it too much, but you can see what I did there. It's like super mushy and it feels really good, and they're really, really pretty. So I'm going to swatch just like a couple, maybe 3 of them. So this is the Whimsical highlighter, and then we will do the Wildflower blush and the Deep bronzer. So that is those here on the back of my hand. We have the Wildflower highlighter, the Whimsical highlighter, Wildflower blush, and then the Deep bronzer. So, and once again, it just smells really good, like coconutty, kind of coconutty florally, but I think they look really pretty. Bronzer, maybe, I don't know how I would use it, but I could probably figure something out. Okay, so that is my Physicians Formula haul, and now I'm going to go on to Makeup Geek, and I haven't opened this yet, so I'm going to open it with you guys right now. I got a lot of eyeshadows, and they don't come pre-made, so and just checking. Okay, so I have a bunch of single shadows here that I have to make the palette for. I got the Shades of Fantasy eyeshadow palette and this Seductive mini palette. Man, I just can't. I need a drink or something. So this is the palette right here. And then here is the mini palette. And then the eyeshadows right here, these are the ones that go in the big palette, so I have to make those, and then I'll show you them individually. But they're like greens and very, very, very earthy tones is the palette that I picked. So I got this shadow. This one is called In the Spotlight. Then I got Mystical. It's kind of like a purple tone. Actually pretty, very beautiful. Illuminati, like and that's actually really, really good, really pretty. It's kind of a goldish, one of those goldish green kind of shadows. And then this is Medieval. And then it looks like they sent me like a sample of a lipstick. It doesn't look like I bought that. Or maybe I did. Yeah, it's a lip gloss, actually. A gloss. And this is in Pink Buddy. This is a lip glaze. I swatched it right here. It's kind of a sticky one, so I'm not sure how I feel about that completely, but we will take it for what it's worth. And then the highlighter that I got is Glitz. And actually, I am pretty stoked about this highlighter. Here's the highlighter. And I love their, like, the backs of their shadows. They're really, really, really pretty. If it's gonna focus at all. Okay, it's not focusing very well, but I'm gonna swatch this for you. Oh yeah, it's like a pinky, very pink, purpley shifting shadow. I mean, highlighter. You can see it right here. Really pretty. Okay, but the problem is I don't have like an empty Z palette, so I needed to buy the case for this. So that's probably my own fault. I'm thinking it's my own fault. Okay. And Makeup Geek is cruelty-free, people. So, okay, so for the shadows that I got from my other palette, I'm going to make this and then I'll show it to you off camera. Like, I won't make this in front of you. So the next shadows that I got are Cheetah Bear, Creme Brulee, Give Me the Dirt, All of You, So Pale, Wine and Dine. I actually like that name. I like to be wined and dined. And Back to the Fuchsia, Wine and Dine, and Back to Fuchsia. They are kind of similar, but Wine and Dine is a little bit darker. And Peach for the Stars. And then Chocolate Wasted. So, okay, I'm gonna make these real quick and then I will show them to you. This is the Seductive Mini palette, and in this palette we have in the Spotlight, which is right here, Peach for the Sun, Back to the Fuchsia, and Chocolate Wasted. So that is what we have there. This is actually really, really cute and really pretty, and I'm very excited to have this palette. And then this is the Shades of Fantasy eyeshadow palette. Now mine didn't come with a divider, but I don't know if it's supposed to or what, but mine didn't come with one, so I have all this space. But anyhow, so I have, okay, so I have So Pale, Illuminati, Creme Brulee, All of You, Cheetah Bear, Mystical, Medieval, Wine and Dine, Give Me the Dirt. So mine didn't come with a divider. I don't know if it's supposed to come with a divider or something like that, but I can see why the like minis don't need one, because like they fit in there. And if it was supposed to come with, wasn't supposed to, maybe they need to like downsize their palette sizes a little bit or something like that. But other than that, I'm really happy with the shades that I got. The packaging of this is really pretty. It's very, very fingerprinty, but obviously that's not something you can avoid with most palettes anyhow. Everything's going to get dirty no matter what the packaging is. So that is my haul, and you will see this stuff coming up eventually because I love playing with this stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!